Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain to you briefly on how to operate Praat. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is Naura Putri Herlina with student number ID 250705012. So, without wasting more time, let's begin. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is open the file that I'm going to analyze. Click open with from file and search for the sound that you're going to analyze. Here we have the sound. Now I'm gonna rename it so it is easier for me to remember. I'm going to name it into American accent. Now click OK, and now that is done. This file is a stereo sound, so I'm going to convert it into a mono sound so it is easier to look. Okay, now we have the sound file. Click it and view and edit. Now you have this tab open. To play the sound, click tab on your keyboard.
Do you speak English?
Now, I don't need this part, so I'm going to delete it. You can delete here with pressing Ctrl plus X.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Now that we have a clean sound, I'm going to search for the pitch and intensity. I'm going to hide the intensity for now, so here is the pitch graph. So to search for the average pitch, we can click in up here. We block it first, then click pitch and go to get pitch. Now here we have the mean or the average pitch is 147.39. Now we're going to search for the minimum pitch. Minimum pitch here is 105.51. And now I want to see where exactly is the minimum pitch. We move cursor to minimum pitch. And over there, in the red line, we can see where the minimum pitch is. And it seems that the minimum pitch is at the word English. Now, we're going to block the sound again and to find the maximum pitch. Like pitch. Get maximum pitch. And here we see that the maximum pitch is 259.69 Hz. Now, we move cursor to see where the maximum pitch is. And here, it seems that the maximum pitch is at the word speak. Now, we're going to do the same thing, but with intensity. First, we block again the sound. We slow the intensity, the graph, then we hide the previous pitch graph. Same with the pitch, we will get the intensity, which the average is 72.78 decibels. Now, we'll get the minimum intensity, which is 29.08 decibels. Close the tab. And in the graph, we could see the minimum intensity here in the word English. Now, we'll get the maximum intensity. You see, it's 79.52 decibels. And from the graph, we'll see the maximum intensity is over here at the word speak. So now we're going to make the text grid. Back to the menu, click on the sound and click annotate to text grid. And in here, we only need a single bar, so we only need one word. Rename it to something to make it easier to remember, and make sure both the lower and upper bar is the same, and click OK. Now that we have the text grid, click both the text grid and the sound together, and now click View and Edit. This tab will then show up. Now click on the small circle to create a border line, because now we are going to separate
Do
each
you
word.
speak English? English? Speak 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 English? You speak English?
Now we'll try to find the
You
right
speak English?
duration for the word.
You speak English? You speak English?
And we'll continue working on separating
You
each
speak English?
word.
You speak English? 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 You speak English?
Now that you've separated it, you can click the line again and then type the word. This over here is do.
English? 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 English?
When you're done, go back to the menu as we're going to draw the text grid. Make sure you've already blocked both the sound and the text grid before you click draw. Block where you want to draw the text grid. And now we click draw. OK. And the result will show up like this. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to draw the pitch. This time, we only block the sound. Go to Analyze Periodicity to pitch. Click OK. And now, as you can see, the pitch has been added to the list. It's recommended to use a different color. I use red this time. Make sure you've blocked the where you want to draw the pitch. And now, click draw. And the result will show up like this. And now we're going to draw the intensity. Click sound to intensity. Okay. Now intensity has been added to the list. choose a different color, and now we click draw. And now this is the end result. We have gathered the data for the maximum and minimum pitch as well as the intensity. We also have drawn the text grid, and I hope you guys understand, and I hope this helps. Thank you. Before I end this video, I want to show you guys a summary of the result that I've made. My assignment is to make a paper to analyze a sentence pronounced in 3 different accents, which is American, British, and Australian accent. I've made a comparison for the duration, intensity, and the pitch. Overall, the British accent demonstrates the highest pitch and intensity, while the American accent has the longest duration. In contrast, the Australian accent has the lowest average pitch but a relatively high intensity. These findings suggest that each accent has distinctive acoustic characteristics in terms of duration, pitch, and intensity. I think that's all for my video. Thank you for watching and listening, and I hope this helps. Thank you and goodbye.